there, little friends! Today, we're going to learn a new letter and meet a fun animal. First, let's draw the letter C together. Awesome! You did a great job! Now, can you guess which animal starts with the letter C? That's right! It's a cow! Cows are awesome! Do you know what a cow sounds like? Can you say moo? Yeah, great job! Now let's go see some real cows! A group of cows is called a herd. Cows like to stay close to their friends and family, just like we do. Isn't that cool? Did you know cows give us milk? One cow can give enough milk to fill 400 glasses in a single day. That's a lot of milk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Color Fun Factory for more fun adventures. See you next time.